friends, and welcome back to Vyom's coding tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be talking about built-in modules in Python. To understand this video, you will have to watch my previous videos on modules in Python. The link is attached in the description. Now, what are built-in modules? The modules which are specific functions and are built inside Python are called built-in modules. You understand that from the name. In my last video, I showed you how to make modules, but in this one, I will show you how to use few of the built-in modules in Python. I will be showing you the calendar module, the math module, and the operator module. In the calendar module, I will be showing you the month and year part. So, now let us start the coding. So, first I am going to be showing the calendar month. So using one of the module importing ways I showed in the last video, I will be importing the calendar module. So I'm going to be writing from calendar import star. So it will import all the functions from the calendar module. And now I'll make two variables m and y. M will be equal to integer input, enter the month number. In this module you cannot enter the name of the month, but you have to enter the month number from 1 to 12. And then year is y is equal to int input, enter the year. And then we just have to make a simple print statement. Print the monthly calendar is new line, and then we have to use the function from the calendar module called month, which will print the month, and then we have to write y comma m. So y here is the year and month is the month number. So after saving this program and running it, so enter the month number. April is 12. So let's enter 4. And year is 2021. And as you can see, the calendar for April has been printed. I hope you understood what the calendar month module is. Now let us move on to calendar year. So let me write the import statement again. From calendar import star, and then let's just write y for year is equal to integer input, enter the year. And then next we have to write a print statement. Print the yearly calendar is calendar function, and then y, and then save and run it. Let's enter the year 2021, and as you can see, the calendar for the whole year has been printed. 2021 is printed here, and then January, February, March to December. So I hope you understood what I have done here. Calendar is the name of the module, and calendar is also the name of the function we use to print the year. So I hope you understood the calendar module. Now moving on to the math module. So in this math module, let me write the import statement. That will simply be from math import star. And now let's make a num is equal to variable num is equal to integer input, enter a number. And in the math module, I'm going to be showing you two functions. that is how to find the square root and how to find the factorial of a number. And factorial is like if you input the number to be 4, it will print the result 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So I hope you understood what factorial is. Now moving on to the next print statement to print the square root of the number. So all you have to write is print the square root of the number is equal to, and square root, the function for square root is sqrt, and then just enter num in the bracket and close the print statement, and that's it for a square root. And let's enter a number 144, which we know is the square of 12, and as you can see the 12 is the result here. So basically the square root function just simplifies our thing from writing, our code from writing num to the power num exponential 1 by 2. So sqrt is used. And next for the factorial, we just have to write print the factorial of the number is equal to factorial, which is the name of the function num. And let me just comment this line so it does not come in the next code. Save and run it. And let's enter a number 5. And so it has been printed 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 120. And that's how it's been printed here. Just the direct answer has been given. So I hope you understood the math module. Now I will be going on to the operator module. So as usual for every module, we import it from operator import star, and I'm going to be showing you the addition, subtraction, multiplication, floor division and modulo division functions from the operator module. So let's write num1 is equal to integer input, enter the first number, and num2 is equal to integer input, enter the second number. Okay, so we have inputted the two numbers. Now for addition, the function is add, add. So we have to write print the sum of the two numbers is equal to add num1 comma num2, close this bracket and close the print statement bracket. And now when we run it, let's take the number to be 6 and 4, 6 and 3. So first number 6, second number 3, and the sum of two numbers is 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So I hope you understood what the add function does. Same way for subtraction, it's sub. For multiplication, it's mul, mul. And for floor division, it is floor, floor, div. And for modulo, mod, div. I'm going to be showing you all of them now. Now subtraction. The difference between the two numbers is equal to sub num1 comma num2, close the bracket. Same way the product of the two numbers is equal to mul num1 comma num2, and then print the quotient of the two numbers is equal to floor, floor, div num1 comma num2, and then close the brackets. And now for the modulo division function, so print the remainder of the two numbers is equal to mod, that's the function, mod num1 comma num2. And then let's run the program and let's enter the first number to be 6, second number to be 3. Sum of the two numbers is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Difference 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 6 into 3 is 18. Then 6 by 3 is 2. And so that's the floor division, and the remainder is 0 because both of them are like divisible. So I hope you understood what the operator module is. And in my next video, oh wait a minute, I still have to do the greater than function from the operator module. So the syntax for the greater than module, for greater than function, is GT. So we have imported the num1 and num2, inputted the num1 and num2. So we just write print GT num1 comma num2. Here, if num1 is bigger than num2, it will print true. But if I enter num2 here and num1 here and num1 is greater than num2, it will print false. So whichever one is written before the comma, it has to be greater than the one which is written after the comma to print true. So let's say num1 and num2 and run the code. And let's just do 6 and 3. So it comes true because num1 is greater than num2. Num1 is greater than num2. Now if we just interchange the values as 3 and 6, 3, 6. So it comes to be false because num2 is greater than num1 this time. So I hope you understood the operator modules and different built-in modules. In my next video, I will be showing you more on built-in modules. Thank you. Thank you for watching.